What's going on, everyone? Carlos here, Disney World Freak. We're here, Coronado Springs, Disney World, Orlando, Florida. First time staying here. We're only here for one night before we move over to a different resort. We have set a goal of staying at every resort on Disney property, so I figured why not? If we needed a room for one night, why not Coronado Springs? We have a standard view here at the irregular Coronado Springs because there's also Grand Destino Tower. But we're here, again, in the standard room. We're about to give you a room tour of that room. Let's go. Here we are, Cabana section, Coronado Springs, Walt Disney World, Orlando. Let me give you a quick room tour of our room, which is just a single room, not Grand Destino Tower, the original Coronado Springs. Here we are entering. A real quick overview. The boys are already comfortable. We have 2 queen-size beds, no Murphy bed here. 2 regular queen-size beds, which I like. I enjoy the Murphy beds as well, but because it gives you a little more room floor-wise. But I also enjoy the simplified of the bed already being down and ready to go. I love the size of this counter space slash drawers for your clothing and whatnot. A K-cup Keurig machine with your Joffrey's coffee, of course. You got your ice bucket, a couple of shelves, put some stuff on, some groceries, small fridge, little chair here to do some work. I like the idea of the chair, and I'm going to tell you why, because if you don't know, Coronado Springs is also a big convention center, so I get that. People come for the convention, have to do some work. This will be perfect for them right here. Again, 6 drawers, good size television. These are connecting rooms, so if you come here, multiple family members, you can get connecting rooms. We have some nice artwork, some 3 Caballeros artwork. Of course, you have another drawer, another cabinet. Oh, the safe is in here, not in a closet. I like that. Plenty of plugs, USB plugs, 4 here, regular plugs as well. You got lights, got reading lights as well. Ooh, well, that was unintended, but the wife is already comfortable in a nice chair there as well, a nice relaxing chair. I love barn doors, so I like the idea of these barn doors here for the restroom area, the bathroom area. Really like those barn doors over curtains. Oh, I think I broke this one. It's not moving. Oh, there it goes. It was a little tough there. Got your closet, your extra pillow. You got your steam iron, your ironing board. There's your extra pillow up there. Nice size closet. Lots of space here. Double sinks, a lot more cabinetry. Hello. And here's your standard bathroom with your soaps, shampoos, tile. And again, love the glass doors. Not a big fan of the curtain style still. Of course, you get your towels and everything. But that's about it. Just your standard room here at Coronado Springs. We are in Cabana section, building 8A. And you saw the room number where we started, but yeah, that's it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have stayed here. If you have any questions, we can help you out. We just came back from dinner, and it was what, maybe not even a 5-minute walk over to Grand Destino and to the tower. So yeah, appreciate everybody watching. Have yourself a magical day.